I am in this park. Um, I tried to find a spot to isolate myself as I do. And I came very close to a tree, and the leaves are still very young. And I just realized how, I don't know, how little time I personally have interacting with nature, with trees, with, well, some chopped trunks, the birds, and, well, more like being physically in proximity to the natural world. I feel that I have little time, even though I think I have more than most people. But I feel that just standing here and observing the leaves and getting bored, with the leaves, just looking, just looking and thinking about nothing. And um, I don't know. I feel we are so connected with this phone and so connected with this internet and technology and the world of thoughts and the world of of the mind. And I feel we are so disconnected with our bodies, or at least I am. I feel that, yeah, there is a disconnection, and every time I'm getting close to the natural elements, yeah, I realize that this is connection. This is connection, and my body comes back home in a way. It feels like that. I feel real, I feel like I feel real, and also it's a bit surreal. It's so beautiful. And I just wonder why we chose this other path of disconnection, and why I chose it as well. Because, I cannot blame the world. Yeah, it's just so perfect. And really, it's surreal, even though it's real. And this is the world where we were birthed, and to be connected, to interact with the natural world. And yeah, I I I just hope I could do it more, and develop myself in connection with the natural world as much as I can where I am. And every time I'm coming around in a park or near the trees, I remember this thing, and I keep saying to myself. So yeah, I'm now keep telling to you as well, whoever watches.